In the last class, we saw about the models and the formulas. Okay, so what we saw was the formulas belong to the syntactic land and the models belong to the semantic land. Also, we saw that adding formulas to KB actually constrains the model, right? That means if I adding formulas to KB or knowledge base basically shrinks the set of models, shrinks the set of models. That means if my KB becomes KB union of a new formula, let us say F. ओके मेरा KB चेंज हो गया, इसमें एक नया फार्मूला ऐड हुआ, तो जो हमारा मॉडल है, ठीक है, अर्लियर इट वाज MKB, so now it will become MKB intersection of MF. Okay, now we will see three important concepts here. The first is entailment. Then we will see contradiction. And the last one is contingency. Right. So moving towards entailment. Entailment is basically when a new formula adds nothing to KB. Okay, when a new formula F adds nothing to KB. Okay, so let us see basically what it means. It means that let us say you are given KB or knowledge base is equal to rain and snow. That means you know that it is both raining as well as snowing. That means your model knows this. Now we are taking a formula F and defining it to be rain. So a rain, it was already known that both rain and snow is occurring. So no, if अब मैं अगर सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि बारिश हो रही है, that means it may be containing a snow or it may not be containing a snow. That means अगर ये मेरा model of KB है, तो this can be a subset of model of F. Why? Because of model of F में जो rain है, it can be accompanied with snow or it cannot be accompanied with snow. So basically F is equal to rain. The model already knew this. The model was already knowing this. So nothing new was added. Okay, so nothing new was added. Therefore, nothing new was added to KB. Therefore, we denote this as KB entails F. Okay, so KB entails F, and if I try to write it like this, if KB entails F, that means M model of KB is subset of model of F. Okay, this is clear from this diagram also. Okay, so this part is known as entailment. Now coming to the next part, that is contradiction. The next part, that is contradiction. So we will see what is meant by contradiction. Right. So for contradiction, let us take an example. KB is equal to knowledge base is equal to rain and snow, and my formula is negation of rain or negation of snow. Okay, so this is my formula. Now if अगर ये ऐसा होना है कि दे बोथ आर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग ईच अदर, ठीक है, दैट मीन्स if this is the model of KB, if this is model of KB and this is model of F, and since we are talking about contradiction, then one thing that we can say is M of KB intersection M of F should be equal to phi. That is a null set. Also another thing that can be said from here is, एक और चीज़ जो हम बोल सकते हैं यहाँ से, दैट इज़ कि अगर m of f ये वाला पार्ट है, if m of f is, what I can say from here is, if m of f is, if m of f is this part, then all the part that are outside of this, then all the region that are outside of this can be written as m of negation of f. Is it clear? So all the part that is outside m of f can be written as m of negation of f, and this m of KB lies in m of negation of f. Okay, so from here we can say that m of KB is a subset of m of negation of f. Okay, because m of negation of f was every region outside m of f. So since m of KB is subset of m of negation of f, we can say that KB entails negation of f. That means this is contradiction. KB entails negation of f. ठीक है, तो ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट को हम मैथमेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू the last part, and that is contingency. Okay, the last part is contingency. So for contingency there was some information. ठीक है, कुछ information एक ऐसा ऐड हुआ, एक ऐसा information दिया गया that the KB was not knowing, and hence it adds to itself. So what I can say, telling some non-trivial information. That is, F adds some non-trivial information to the KB. F adds some non-trivial information to KB. So if I draw the diagram here, this is, let us say, M of KB, and let us say this is our M of F. Okay, so M of KB intersection M of F is a strict subset of M of KB and is a strict subset of phi. So something that we didn't knew here gets added to the KB. Now what are strict subsets? A strict subset is a set that contains or that is completely contained inside another set, that is completely contained inside another set, but not equal to it, but not equal to it. Okay, so here you can see that phi is completely contained inside this intersection. इस intersection में phi तो होगा ही, because phi belongs to every set, but is not equal to it. Similarly, ये जो intersection है, this is completely contained inside MKB. This is also true, but it is not equal to it. जैसे अगर आप इसे समझना चाहो तो आई कैन से यू कि a इज इक्वल टू, मान लो हमारे पास है 1,2 एक सेट है, और b हमारे पास दिया हुआ है 1,2,3. तो हियर आई कैन से दैट a इज अ strict subset of b. ठीक है, इट इज कंप्लीटली कंटेन्ड बट इज नॉट इक्वल टू b. Now let us see one example. Let us say kb is equal to rain. kb is equal to rain. That means हमारे नॉलेज बेस में सिर्फ एक ही स्टेटमेंट था kb, एंड एक फार्मूला है स्नो. तो इफ आई ड्रॉ द डायग्राम फॉर रेन, it is like this, or m of kb is like this, and then there is an intersection and we have m of f. Okay, so this intersection part, we can say that this intersection part phi is a strict subset of m of kb intersection m of f, and this part is a strict subset of m of kb. Okay, so this was about these three operations. This is about these three operations. Now coming to operations that are here. So there are two operations generally, tell and ask. So these two operations can be performed on a knowledge base. So in tell operation, what we do, tell f, that means a formula to kb. हम kb को एक formula बताते हैं, ठीक है, and then if it does not knows it, then it, what it will do, it will update it. So let us say I am telling tell it is raining, tell it is raining. ये किसे कर रहे हैं हम, kb को कर रहे हैं, नॉलेज बेस को. तो if it is raining and let us say what will be the possible responses, this we need to know, कि जो possible response होगा वो क्या हो सकता है. तो possible responses can be either entailment or either contradiction or either contingency, right? So I can write it like this. If it is entailment, then that means the kb already knew that, kb already knew the formula, knew f. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, that means kb entails f. ठीक है, इस केस के लिए. Now the second case comes where our knowledge base does not believes the formula. Okay, so the second case is don't believe it or don't believe that formula. Okay, So in here I can say that this is contradiction. This is basically contradiction. Contradiction. Now here I can write contradiction के लिए मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? Therefore KB entails negation of F. Negation of F. Okay. Now coming to the last thing, that is contingency. That is contingency का केस जो होगा, तो उसमें क्या होगा कि कोई नया इन्फॉर्मेशन उसने पास किया है, कोई नया फार्मूला, एंड इट विल गेट अपडेटेड. दैट मीन्स लर्नड समथिंग न्यू. लर्नड समथिंग न्यू. किसने लर्न किया समथिंग न्यू? डेटाबेस ने, सॉरी नॉलेज बेस ने. ओके, लर्न समथिंग न्यू and therefore it will update the KB. What it will do? It will update its knowledge base. Okay, so this was all about tail operation. Now coming to the next operation, that is ask operation. That means we are querying the knowledge base. Earlier what we were doing, we were adding something to knowledge base with tail. So here I can write ask स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एफ, मतलब ये फार्मूला मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, और किससे पूछ रहा हूँ? नॉलेज बेस से पूछ रहा हूँ. तो व्हाट कैन बी पॉसिबल रिस्पॉन्सेस? लाइक आई एम आस्किंग इज इट रेनिंग. ठीक है, आस्क इज इट रेनिंग. तो पॉसिबल रिस्पॉन्सेस, जैसे लेट अस से आई एम आस्किंग इज इट रेनिंग. तो the possible responses are yes, and yes means entailment. Here entailment. Okay, that is KB entails F. And the second is contradiction. Contradiction, and here it will be no. Okay, here it will be no. So here I can write KB is a negation of F. KB entails negation of F. So this is about our tail operation. Okay, sorry, this is about ask operation. Now in the ask operation there is a contingency also. So for contingency what it will say? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this was about contingency. So yes was entailment. The possible response yes was entailment, and then contradiction was no, and I don't know is contingency. So now we move towards the next part, and that is we will again start it. We will see inference rules. Okay, now we will see inference rules. So I will be showing you about inference rules in the next video. Thank you.